Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Netflix. We will go here to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page we will search for Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.